Addition of fraction with different denominators. Let's start with a simple one which is of same denominator, that is 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6. We can see the denominator here is same, so what we have to do is add the numerator, that is 3 plus 2 over 6, which is equal to 5 over 6. That's our answer. Now let's check another one with different denominators, that is 3 over 2 plus 4 over 5. Now we can see the denominator here is different, one is 2 and one is 5. So to start with, we can start with the biggest number, which is 5. Is 5 is divisible by 2? No, 5 is not divisible by 2. So now let's check the next multiple, next smallest multiple of 5, which is divisible by 2. Let's go to the next one, which is 10. Yes, 10 is the smallest multiple of 5, that is divisible by 2. Okay, so we can write this as the common denominator as 10 here. Now let's check how much we have to multiply with this 2 to make it 10. How much we have to multiply with 2 to make it 10? That is 2 times 5 is 10. So I have to times that 5 with the numerator 2. That is 3 times 5. Now let's check how much I have to multiply with this 5 to make it 10. That is 2. So I have to multiply with that 2 on the top 2, that is the numerator. So now let's check how much is the numerator. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 4 times 2 is 8. So now the common denominator is 10. Now what I have to do is just add the numerator, which is 15 plus 8 over 10 plus 8 over 10, that is equal to 23 over 10. This is my answer. Now if I want to convert it to a mixed number, I can convert it to a mixed number. 10 will go to 23 2 times with a remainder 3 over 10. That's my answer. Now let's check one more example, that is 5 over 6 plus 7 over 12. The denominator here is different, one is 6 and one is 12. Now let's start with the biggest one, that is 12, which is 12. Okay, now we can check whether 6 will go, 12 is divisible by 6, or 6 will go to 12. Yes, 12 is divisible by 6 2 times. So here the common denominator is 12, which is the least common multiple of 6 and 12 too. So now the denominator is 12. Now let's check how much we have to multiply with 6 to make it 12. We have to times 2 here, so I can have to times that on the top 2, on the numerator 2. Now how much I have to multiply here is 1, because that itself is 12. So that is 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 7 times 1 is 7. So now my denominator is same. So what I have to do here is add the numerator, that is 10 plus 7 over 12, which is equal to 17 over 12. Now I can write this as a mixed number, that is 1 with a remainder of 5 over 12. Thank you.